Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to rebuild search index Windows 11. To begin, we open the control panel from the search box. There you will click on the line Indexing Options. Now in this window, click on Advanced. After this, click on the button Rebuild, click on OK to start the index rebuilding process. You can see the number of items that are being rebuilt. Wait for it to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.